What a difference a day made for me. My name is Caroline and I am a massage therapist, and I have just completed FreedomWorks UK special event about freedom, which is a one-day course and part 2 of the LifeWorks Be Free Be a Leader program. And what I've realised from doing this course is that my past history, past mistakes, any past issues will be able to stay there in the past. I now have much better coping strategies to deal with anything that the life in the future will throw at me, so that makes it look a whole lot brighter. As a result of this, I will be able to be self-reliant, I will feel worthy, and I will also be free. I'll be able to hold down 2 new jobs that I've been able to secure during my time, and I'll be able to do this because I know that any issue that comes up, I can deal with. I would definitely recommend this course. Thank you.